Deep within the frozen heart of the Alaska Triangle lies a peak shrouded in more than just ice and snow. Mount Hayes, a place where planes vanish and legends of a black pyramid whisper through the halls of declassified history. For decades, this region has been a nexus of the unexplained. Thousands have disappeared without a trace, leaving behind a void filled only by rumors of anomalous energy and extraterrestrial intervention. But the most startling claim of all? A colossal underground structure, the Black Pyramid, larger than Giza and pulsing with an ancient, unknown power. This isn't just folklore. In the 1970s, the CIA's Project Stargate turned to remote viewing to peer into the unknown. What they found at Mount Hayes would haunt the analysts for years. Pat Price, one of the program's most gifted viewers, claimed to see an underground facility here. He described tubes, tunnels, and entities not of this world working alongside human personnel. Price's reports detailed a Titan base, a hub of extraterrestrial activity hidden miles beneath the surface, shielded by the very mountain itself. In the minutes to come, we'll hear from those who saw the lights and those who tried to tell the world about the seismic anomaly of 1992. We dive deep into the suppressed reports of Doug Muchler and the incredible sightings that continue to this day. Why is the government silent, and what is truly hidden inside the mountain? The journey into the heart of the Alaska mystery begins now. The search for the truth took a dramatic turn in May 1992. Halfway across the globe, a massive underground nuclear test in China sent seismic waves rippling through the Earth's crust. But when those waves reached Alaska, they hit something unexpected. Local news stations briefly reported a discovery that defied explanation: a colossal artificial structure buried deep beneath the permafrost. For a few brief minutes, the secret of the Black Pyramid was public knowledge. Then, the broadcast vanished. Doug Muchler, a counterintelligence officer stationed at Fort Richardson, saw the report. When he tried to find the footage later, he was told it never existed. He soon discovered that military maps of the area contained a glaring anomaly, a massive blank space. Why was a geological discovery treated like a matter of national security? If the pyramid is just a rock formation, why scrub it from history? The answer may lie in what that structure is actually doing. Theories suggest the pyramid isn't just a tomb or a base, it's an ancient power plant, tapping into the Earth's magnetic field to generate energy on a scale we can barely imagine, an energy that UFOs might be using to recharge. If the Black Pyramid is an artificial structure, its purpose remains the ultimate mystery. Some researchers believe it isn't a base at all, but a colossal, ancient charging station, a planetary power plant hidden from human eyes. Witness accounts of UFOs over Mount Hayes often describe the same phenomenon: glowing orbs hovering for hours as if siphoning something from the Earth itself. Could they be tapping into a deep Earth energy grid? Remote viewer Pat Price described the structure as alive with energy. He claimed it generated a powerful electromagnetic field that could interfere with time and space, a claim that aligns with the strange electronic failures reported by pilots in the area. The Alaska Triangle sits on a unique geological crossroads. Some suggest it's a vile vortex, a place where the Earth's natural magnetic field is amplified. If the pyramid was built here, it was built to exploit this power. Is this technology ours, or something that has been here since before the ice? As we peel back the layers of secrecy, the line between ancient myth and modern mystery begins to blur. The true scale of the Hayes anomaly is only just beginning to emerge. While the 1992 report vanished into the shadows, the mystery didn't stay buried forever. In 2012, the Black Pyramid exploded into the digital age, reaching millions through the airwaves of investigative journalist Linda Moulton Howe. The claims were staggering: an underground structure twice, perhaps 4 times the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza, a monument of crystalline alloy hidden half a mile beneath the Alaskan tundra. Conspiracy theorists soon drew a connection to HAARP, the massive antenna array in Gakona. They speculated that this scientific facility wasn't just studying the ionosphere, but siphoning the pyramid's ancient energy for secret military projects. But despite the viral fervor, concrete evidence remains elusive. There is no official footprint, no topography anomaly on public maps. The truth seems to live only in the memories of those who claim they saw too much. In our final chapter, we look at the Project 8200 declassified sessions. We'll see what the remote viewers saw when they looked deep into the heart of Mount Hayes. The evidence is mounting, and the world is finally watching. As satellite technology advances, the hunt for physical proof has moved from the ground to the stars. Independent researchers are now using multispectral imaging to peer through the ice, searching for the telltale geometry of the Black Pyramid. Curiously, certain coordinates near Mount Hayes still appear as data anomalies on public mapping platforms. Rectangular raised portions of land that skeptics call geological artifacts, but others see as digital bandages over a truth they don't want us to see. Is it a charging station for visitors from beyond? An ancient power plant from a forgotten age? Or a secret military asset siphoning the Earth's natural energy for projects we can barely conceive? The evidence suggests that Mount Hayes is far more than just a mountain. The Alaska Triangle continues to hold its secrets close. But as the declassified documents of Project Stargate and the testimonies of witnesses like Doug Muchler continue to surface, the silence of the government speaks louder than any report ever could. The journey into the heart of the mystery doesn't end here. It is only the beginning of our understanding of what lies beneath the ice. Our search for the Black Pyramid leads us west, following the Aleutian Island chain, a frontier of fire and ice where the laws of physics seem to bend. It is here that seasoned pilots like Theo Chesley have witnessed the impossible. In 2019, Chesley encountered a disc-shaped object half a mile wide. It moved with a stillness that defied the harsh Alaskan winds, before turning vertical and performing maneuvers that left the veteran pilot stunned. It wasn't his only encounter, but the Aleutians are also a place of tragic silence. In 1972, a plane carrying U.S. House Majority Leader Hale Boggs vanished without a trace. Despite the largest search in history, not a single piece of wreckage was ever found, one of 20,000 who have disappeared in the Alaska Triangle. Chillingly, military reports from the days before these vanishings often mention unidentified crafts stalking aircraft. Declassified documents reveal UFOs following U.S. naval planes near Kodiak, appearing and disappearing at speeds exceeding 7,000 miles per hour. Some researchers, like Johnny Enoch, believe the base isn't just underground, but underwater. They point to the 1945 Delaroff incident, where a giant disk emerged from the sea. If the Black Pyramid is part of a global grid, its reach may extend far beneath the waves. While the stories of bases and pyramids are compelling, science offers a different set of explanations. In a land as extreme as Alaska, nature itself can produce phenomena that look remarkably like the work of another world. The aurora borealis is more than just a light show. At high altitudes, these charged particles can create atmospheric illusions, shifting curtains of light that, to an untrained eye, can resemble a structured, moving craft. Then there is ball lightning, a rare and poorly understood atmospheric phenomenon. These glowing spheres of plasma can hover for minutes, change direction suddenly, and even split apart, matching many of the descriptions from witness accounts like Jared Augustine's. What about the magnetic surges reported by pilots? Geologists point to the massive mineral deposits beneath the Hayes Range. Huge concentrations of iron and magnetite can wreak havoc on navigation equipment, creating the vortex effect without the need for an alien power plant. Is it possible that the Black Pyramid is a misinterpretation of these natural wonders? Or does the mountain's unique geology make it the perfect place to hide a technology we are not yet ready to understand? The line between science and the strange remains razor thin. The mystery of Mount Hayes may be just one piece of a much larger global puzzle. Across the planet, in the most remote corners of our world, similar structures have been detected, suggesting a hidden network built by a single prehistoric hand. In 2016, satellite imagery of Antarctica's Ellsworth Mountains revealed a mountain with a strikingly pyramidal shape. While geologists call it a nunatak, others see a twin to the Black Pyramid, hidden beneath the southern ice. Halfway around the world, the forbidden pyramids of Xi'an, China, whisper similar secrets, ancient, artificial, and aligned with the stars. Are these structures mere tombs or part of a global power grid designed to tap into the Earth's energy? When we map these sites, a pattern emerges. They sit on the intersection of the Earth's magnetic meridians, or ley lines. Some theorists believe the global energy interconnection isn't just a modern goal, but a rediscovery of an ancient planetary circuit. Is this why world powers are racing to the poles? The search for the Black Pyramid is no longer just about history. It's a race for the ultimate energy source. In our final chapter, we reveal the final verdict on the Alaska Anomaly. The most unsettling aspect of the Mount Hayes reports isn't the technology, but the beings said to operate it. Declassified documents from the CIA's remote viewing programs provide detailed, consistent descriptions of the mountain's silent residents. Remote viewers like Pat Price described strange humanoid creatures working alongside human personnel. They were seen as technicians, beings of immense focus, managing the complex instrumentation of the Titan base. One specific entry from 1987 mentions an attractive female supervisor in a lab coat overseeing operations. These reports suggest a level of integration between human and non-human intelligence that challenges every official narrative. Pat Price became convinced that these entities were aware of his presence. He felt a deep sense of dread, believing that once you looked into the mountain looked back, a fear that many believe led to his untimely end. As we near the end of our investigation, we bring together the final pieces of the puzzle. From the ancient legends to the modern satellites, the truth of the Alaska Anomaly is finally coming into focus. Our final verdict is next. We have journeyed from the declassified halls of Fort Meade to the ice-choked peaks of the Alaska Range. The evidence for the Black Pyramid is a tapestry of seismic anomalies, remote viewing sessions, and modern witness accounts. We saw how a geological discovery in 1992 was treated like a matter of national security, scrubbed from archives and whited out on official military maps. We explored the CIA's Project Stargate, where gifted viewers saw an underground facility manned by entities not of this world, a base pulsing with an ancient planetary energy. And we examined the staggering claims of materials like gold filaments and piezoelectric quartz, technology that suggests the pyramid is a gargantuan energy converter. Science offers us natural wonders like the aurora and ball lightning to explain these sightings. But natural phenomena don't explain no-fly zones, missing documents, or the consistent details of declassified programs. If something is there, the silence of the government suggests it is a secret they are not yet ready to share. A secret that could change our understanding of our own planet's history. Mount Hayes may be just one node in a global energy network that has existed since before the ice. A prehistoric circuit that is only now being rediscovered by modern powers. In the end, the Alaska Triangle remains a frontier of the unknown. Whether it is spirits, extraterrestrials, or a lost civilization, the truth lies buried beneath the ice. I'm your host, and the journey into the mystery never truly ends. Thank you for joining us on this investigative journey into the heart of the Alaska Anomaly. If you want to see more cryptid investigations files about the world's greatest mysteries, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. What do you believe is hidden inside Mount Hayes? Let us know in the comments. Keep watching the skies. The truth is out there, waiting to be found.